we have been learning to read the enormous Turnip.
A man went into his garden.
He dug out the weeds, planted its seeds in the row. He had lots of seeds. He watered his seeds. They began to grow. It got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It was big as his garden. It was enormous. Come and help pull.
Come and help pull, Bentley.
Come and help pull, Maggie. Come and help pull, Lily Joy. The enormous turnip shot right out. Then it was turnip for breakfast and lunch and for tea and turnip for supper and oh dearie me. The end.